Hello friends, I am Catherine and today I want to show you how to make a very simple dreadlock cuff. If you like this one, let me know and I might do videos on making more complicated ones, but this one is the simplest, well, not the simplest one, that's just a circle, but the simplest one that I know that is still fun. You're going to want some wire. I got this wire at the hardware store. You can get wire at your local craft store, wherever works best for you. Source your wire how you like. Make sure that it's a wire that you can bend with your hands. I'm serious on this one. If it's too heavy a gauge and you can't bend it, it's not gonna be able to work. Conversely, make sure that it's not a wire that will bend out of shape on its own, because if it's too thin of a wire, it's great for attaching things to other things, but it's not great for a cuff by itself. So once you have your wire, you're going to take and cut it to about 4 inches. 4 inches is a good solid length. You can do it longer, you can do 5 inches. It does depend on how many times you want it to wrap around, but 4 inches will do just fine. The more times you want it to wrap around, the longer you want to make it. But once you've got your wire cut to length, you're going to need something to wrap it around. A pencil's really great for this. If your dreads are about the size of a pencil, that's perfect. Find something that is about the size of your dreads. If that's a paintbrush, use a paintbrush. If that's a pencil, use a pencil. I've got this paintbrush that will fit some of my smaller ones, and you want it to be a little bit tight, so even a little bit smaller than your locks, it would be excellent. And then you take and you put the wire behind your pencil or paintbrush or what have you, about a finger's width away from the edge, and wrap it around. Once you get it going, it should get a little bit easier, but you just wrap it however tight or loose you want your coils to be. The looser you make them, the easier it'll be to put onto your locks, but the easier it is to fall off as well. And then if you want it to be a little wider, you can go ahead and go in and separate them a little bit. And now you've got this sort of spring looking thing and you are halfway done. Next thing you're going to want is a pair of round nose pliers. You really do want round nose pliers for this. Doing it with other things is not nearly as nice. But you take your round nose pliers and you attach them right onto the very end of one of your wire ends that's sticking off and curl it away from the direction that you were turning the coil in. So for the top, it'll be that direction. Go. Come on, you. There we go. Want it to be a little bit more open. And then for the bottom, well, we're going to push it a little bit further around. And then for the bottom, it will be in that direction. Hopefully something round and coily and like a curve. And then you just pull it off and you do a little bit of finessing, a little bit of wiggling around and curving and things like that, so that you end up with something that's sort of curly on both ends and turning in opposite directions, and a circle cuff down the middle so that you'll be able to slide that onto your dread. And there you have one of the simplest dreadlock cuffs you can make. Easy, quick, and a cute little embellishment. If you guys like this, like I said, definitely let me know. I put up new videos every day, and I'm always interested in hearing what you have to say. And remember to subscribe, and I will see you all tomorrow. Bye!